Hello, YouTube viewers. Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the world of clinical trials. Today, we'll explore an essential aspect of research, patient recruitment. Join us as we uncover strategies for recruiting and retaining participants in clinical trials. Let's get started. Patient recruitment is a critical step in clinical research. It involves finding and enrolling participants who meet specific criteria for the study. Let's explore some effective strategies that researchers employ. Please click on the subscribe button before I proceed. Community outreach. Engaging with local communities is vital. Researchers reach out to healthcare providers, community organizations, and support groups to raise awareness about clinical trials. By establishing relationships and building trust, they can find potential participants who may benefit from the study. Online platforms and social media. Harnessing the power of digital platforms is essential in today's connected world. Researchers utilize websites, social media channels, and online forums to disseminate information about their trials, making it easily accessible to a broader audience. These platforms provide a space for potential participants to learn about the study and express their interest. Collaboration with healthcare providers. Healthcare providers play a crucial role in patient recruitment. Researchers collaborate with physicians, nurses, and other healthcare professionals to identify eligible patients who might benefit from participating in clinical trials. This partnership ensures that patients receive appropriate information and guidance from trusted medical sources. Patient advocacy organizations. Working with patient advocacy organizations helps researchers tap into networks of individuals who are passionate about specific health conditions. These organizations can provide valuable support by spreading the word about clinical trials and connecting potential participants with research opportunities. Informed consent process. The informed consent process is crucial for patient retention. Researchers ensure that participants fully understand the study's requirements, potential risks, benefits, and their rights as participants. By maintaining open lines of communication and addressing any concerns, researchers create an environment of trust, enhancing participant retention. Retaining participants is equally important as recruiting them. Researchers implement various strategies to enhance participant retention throughout the trial. Regular communication. Researchers maintain regular communication with participants, providing updates on the trial's progress and addressing any queries or concerns. This helps participants feel engaged, valued, and supported throughout their involvement in the study. Flexible scheduling. Understanding the challenges participants may face, researchers strive to accommodate their schedules and minimize any inconvenience. This flexibility makes it easier for participants to remain committed to the trial. Participant support. Researchers offer support services, such as transportation assistance or reimbursement for travel expenses, to help participants overcome logistical barriers. By removing practical obstacles, researchers enhance participant retention. Subscribe for more insights on clinical trial recruitment and retention strategies. And that's a wrap on our YouTube presentation about patient recruitment and retention in clinical trials. Remember, the participation of individuals like you makes groundbreaking research possible, leading to better healthcare outcomes for all. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative discussions on clinical trials.